Alright guys, so this is my 2015 F150, bought it in fall 2015, and I've seen a lot of guys with the problems with door latches freezing up, and nobody seems to have come up with a fix. Mine froze up the first winter, and then I decided to see if I could fix it because I didn't feel like tearing all the doors apart. All I did was, as you can see, the door opens. I sprayed lots of WD-40 into the latch, and I also removed the drain plug or vent plugs in the bottom of the doors. There is only one on the front door. I believe there's two on the rear doors. I'm just going to show you. Sorry, it's pitch black out here. It's 6:30 in the morning. All my doors open. Again, the drain. So basically just saturated the latches with WD-40. 2 years later, the doors don't freeze anymore at all. I'll show you, it's somewhere around -15 this morning. And, 4 doors locked, close, open, no freezing at all. Let's see what the temperature is now. -19. So, -19. All 4 doors lock, unlock. Don't stay frozen. Don't stay open. Don't fly open on me while I'm driving. Only thing I've done is sprayed the 4 latches. I took the drain plugs out of the bottom, and I also sprayed and kind of fogged inside the door with a undercoating. But that's more for the rust protection than anything. The WD-40 seems to have kept the water out of the latch. This is the 3rd winter now. I bought it in the fall of 15, so 16, 17. No more freezing, no problems whatsoever. Hope this helps.